Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Dialpad sounds on any Itel phone. Let's begin! First, we want to go into Settings. In here, scroll down a little and go to Sound and Vibration. In here, scroll all the way down, go to Advanced Options, and at the very top we can see Dialpad tones. We can disable it, and as you can see, if we would go to our Dialpad, all the noises are gone, and obviously we can go back and enable it once again, and now the noises are back. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.